guys, hello Panthers. Today I'm going to be playing here in Hollywood Bet. I'm going to start buying the future with 125 rand. The reason part is because of when I was playing since yesterday and today, so I've been unlocking all the levels. So I want to see and I was unlocking them with 25 rand bonus buy. So I want to see if I'm buying a bonus with 125. Will I really open all the levels? So let's find out if it can happen. And if you are a new member in this channel, can you support the channel by subscribing? Thank you guys, and then let me just buy one immediately and we'll see where it's gonna take us. This is a 125 rand bonus buy, so let's see if this bonus is going to give us something. And guys, let me know also the games that you are playing so that I can try them, because here in this channel the objective is to show each other which games I'm showing you guys which game you can play if it's playing. Because this game, I believe that there's a time whereby it opens and there's a time whereby it closes. When it closes, you will lose. You find that everybody is complaining if they are losing, we are all losing. So the moment when I'm winning, that's why I also share and show you guys that I'm winning, and when I'm losing I also show you guys that I'm losing, so that you can know the state we are. So let's see if we can unlock all of them with this 125 rand bonus buy. 10 more to go, and then we are left with 11 to go. So let's see if this lady, she can do the work today for us. 5 more to go. Okay, probably we're going to unlock the first level. It's given now, so let's see if we can unlock all these levels guys with 125 rand bonus buy. And don't forget, if you are a new member, to subscribe to this channel, and then we'll also go live in this channel. When we go live, when I make profit, we normally give away vouchers when we make profit in live, when we are playing live. So you must also be there for that, and in order to get those to be nominated as a winner, you need to be active in the channel, not only when we are live, but when you're active you will also know that we are live. And we're gonna be live today at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. we're going to be live. Take that into account. Okay, let's see if this can help. Remember, we bought this bonus with okay, we already made small profit. We bought this bonus with 125. I hope we can unlock these stages guys. Can we do that? Can it happen? Seems like we are in the last one. We couldn't make it, but we didn't lose. We've made a profit. I'm gonna try to spin and spin. Maybe we can get the bonus here. Okay, let me not waste my time guys. Let me just buy quickly. I love buying bonuses. Like when you can buy a bonus in a day, why do you waste your time? Just buy the bonus. That's what I believe that. That's why there is this option maybe called bonus. So let's see what will happen to this bonus after we have with the first one. But it's like Siren spell, she's back guys. I think Siren spell, I think that lady, she's back. She's trying to give away. What do you think? Everybody who has been playing this week, they are not really complaining about how it's happening. Everybody is happy. I think so. Let me know in the comment section when you try this Siren spell, what exactly happens. Like, did you win? Okay, the first one, it might be a lose, we don't know. Let's see what will happen. Maybe we can be lucky. Seems like, okay, we are left with 4 to unlock. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, only one. We were only left with one, guys, to unlock this stage. I'm gonna take a risk and buy the third one. Let's hope it won't be a turn-off. We're only left with one to unlock the first level. We are down to 110 now, but let's hope we're gonna win, because we are here to win it. We are here to win it, guys. Which is too far. We couldn't help there. Okay, it's moving really slow. They're moving slow. All the 10 plus, I feel like they're moving slow. Guys, and don't, when you play these, guys, use the money that you can afford to lose. And when you lose that money, you won't have a problem tomorrow, because it's really boring if you lose all your money and after that you got angry, you don't have any money to do anything, you see. So please gamble wisely. Let's see if we can make some profit. We are in profit already, but I just want to see if we can unlock all of them. This one might really help a lot. Let's see how much again. Yeah, it's really pushing so far. Let's see if it can push us until we are down to 13. Can we get 3 ladies again? Okay, 15. Well, we'll take that. I just want to see us unlocking all these levels, guys. We are down to 26, 25. Okay, yes. If these ladies were closer to each other, it was we were going to be there, but they are not. And we can't push them. We know that we can't do anything. If they are not, they are not. There is nothing that we can do. Seems like we couldn't. We did make profit in this one, but we couldn't push it to. I don't know if I should make a mistake, or I'm going to be making a good mistake of buying again. Okay, let me just buy and see what will happen. Let's see what will happen to this one, guys. Let's hope it's not going to be that bad one. We are down to 12. Okay. It's also far. Maybe it was good help if it was over. Maybe you can also try it, guys. Maybe you might be lucky to unlock all of them, because I've been today unlocking with a very small amount, guys. I'm very grateful that I should have taken all, guys, at first. Okay, this might really help. Let's see what it takes us. It's going to take us down to 9. Okay. Alright, then we are in, guys. We are in now. We are in. We are definitely in to the next. We unlock the first level. Can we really unlock all this level with 120? Just need to see that amount, guys. I never get 5 ladies, guys. I never get these 5 ladies. I really need to see those 5 ladies in one of my games when I'm playing Siren. To be honest, I think I will be very much happy, even if they don't really play me that much. But as long as I can get those 5 ladies, guys, just to see that they really appear. Can somebody call them on my behalf to tell them that they must give me 5 ladies one day when I'm playing? just need 2 ladies or 3 just. Let's see if it's possible. Seems like it's not possible, and it was the last one. Okay, it was not really that much bad. It was the break even. So guys, I have tried Siren spell now. I think maybe it's time for me to we got something big there. I think it's time maybe for me to move to other games. Like I want to try what to burn here in Hollywood bed today. Let's see if we can get. Okay, I thought maybe we're gonna get another bonus without buying it. Okay, let me give it a try again. Because my objective was just to play Siren spell, but I was also thinking of moving to what to burn or other games. Or I have been spinning today that game called Madam Destiny. I've been spinning it the whole day today. I'm spinning. So I think that game is good when you are buying a bonus. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about that game. How do you think it's good? Like, do you think spinning, have you win it when you are spinning only you get the bonus? It looks like it's not easy to get bonuses when you are just like spinning, because I spinned until I get tired. If I was making a video when I was playing that game, guys, you would be bored like for so many hours. It was going to be a boring video, okay? I don't think this will help at all. We were supposed to be doing this long time ago. And it's the last spin, okay? Guys, today I made this to play this game only. Let me just click on the objective. Then I will play again. I will show you guys when I'm playing that game. I will try to buy bonuses on that game called Madam Destiny and see if we can grab some jackpots there. Let's see. Siren spell, show us the power of your bonus today. In month's end, let us see this month's end. What you are holding for us. Let us see what you are holding for us. Here we are looking. I cannot really say half of our money is back, guys. Let me just quickly buy another one and we'll see. We are here to find out what Siren spell hold for us. Not Siren. Siren spell, I know. That's like sometimes when I'm speaking fast, guys. Those 5 ladies, guys. Look. When are they gonna come? I want to see those 5 ladies. Seems like it's a dead one. It looks like that. No matter how much they try, it will never work. I don't think it's gonna work, guys. This was the dead one. So guys, I tried Siren spell with 120. There is nothing that I got. I'm just gonna spin. If we spin into a bonus, that will be fine. Maybe we can spin into a bonus, and if we spin into that bonus, we can grab something. Let's see if it's possible. Alright guys, it was not possible. Thank you for watching, and if you are a new member, subscribe to this channel, and you can see that which means maybe they are releasing when you are playing with a small amount. So yeah, this is what it is guys, and all the best. Maybe next time I will win. I know I do win, and it's not like you will win always. So you can also see that we play, we don't win every time. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comment section what happens when you played it this week. Thank you very much.